Well, you might be looking at this dish and saying, wow, that's so unhealthy. It's so many fatty things. Let's remember, Jimmy Carter lived to be 100. Who knows? Maybe this is the magic food. You never know. So let's try to pour some of this out. I don't know, I think it's going to be a little messy if I pour it out. But let's see. All right. Not too bad. I'm going to remove this like main spoon. The heat's off. Just want to get this off there. And we have our grits. The heat is off. I've got everything in there. Can move this here now. So we've got our cheesy flavors in there. We've got our eggs, butter, milk, salt, pepper, water, milk, everything. Let's taste these cheesy grits in honor of President Carter. Oh wow, that is rich. I may add an extra pinch of salt. Wow. Delicious, flavorful, and satisfying. Bon appetit. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And enjoy breakfast like our late, great Southern President Jimmy Carter. All right. And let's be happy that we got our new President Trump. Let's hope Godspeed in all his endeavors. Amen. All right, over and out.